Hey guys, this is Kaz the Diesel Doctor here. We got a set of heads from a customer that sent us a couple sets, and he's actually sending it from a shop, and it's a good shop that we're working with because he was concerned for his customer and wanted to make sure that the job was done right. Now you can tell the heads have been resurfaced. We've actually got two different sets of heads that look like they came from two different shops. This one right here was just been reworked and sent to us, and he just wanted to verify it's good. I don't have a spring or anything to measure this right offhand without going up there and getting something, so I just wanted to show you because I didn't want you to think that I was fooling. I just kind of want to be transparent on this thing. Go ahead and pull on it just to show you how stuck the valve is, and this came right out of the machine shop. This is how stuck this valve is. You see how much tension there is on that? I mean, there's no tricks to this thing. It's that stuck. Now push it back in, he's going to show you again. That's insane how stuck that valve is, and all the clearances are going to have to be and you can see how much coking and how much carbon and stuff that comes off of this. But anyways, just wanted you to see, and this is another one. Of course, this one's loose, and it comes, obviously that's the way it ought to operate, but that's straight from another machine shop. So just to keep in mind, again, make sure, because it doesn't matter how good a mechanic you've got, the mechanic's not necessarily the one that's going to kill you on this. It's generally the machine shop, because the tolerances aren't right, and it doesn't matter. The mechanic can be fantastic at what he does, but if he's trusting somebody that's untrustworthy, that's going to get him in trouble. So anyways, thanks for watching.